Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Today, we will learn the French reflexive verb se promener, which means to take a walk, or to go for a stroll. Let's conjugate this verb in present tense and use it in simple, live examples. Conjugation of se promener in present tense. Je me promène, I take a walk. English, I go for a stroll. Tu te promènes, you take a walk. Informal, English, you're going for a walk. Il, elle se promène. He, she takes a walk. English, he is strolling, she is walking. Nous nous promenons. We take a walk. English, we are going for a stroll. Vous vous promenez. You take a walk. Formal or plural. English, you are taking a walk. Ils, elles se promènent. They take a walk. English, they are strolling. Example with English meaning. Je me promène dans le parc. I'm taking a walk in the park. Tu te promènes avec ton chien. You are walking with your dog. Il se promène chaque matin. He takes a walk every morning. Nous nous promenons au bord de la mer. We're strolling by the sea. Vous vous promenez dans la ville? Are you walking around the city? Elles se promènent après le dîner. They are walking after dinner. Call to action. If you find this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Don't forget to check the video description for a French learning ebook, perfect for beginners of all ages who want to learn French at home in a simple and effective way. Merci beaucoup de nous avoir regardés. Thank you very much for watching. À très bientôt.